Hello students, this question is taken from test series 4 EE from the subject power system from the topic transmission and distribution, and it is of 2 marks. The given question having 3-phase bundled conductor system is as shown in below. The conductor from A1 to A2 diameter is 0.4 meter and the conductor B1 to B2 is 0.4 meter and conductor diameter between the conductor C1 and C2 is 0.4 meter, and from A2 to B1 the diameter is 7 meter, B2 to C1 is also same, that is 7 meters. The radius of each conductor is given 1.75 centimeter, that is the radius R is given 1.75 centimeter. So we have to find the value of inductance per phase per kilometer of the line. So we have to find the value of inductance per phase per kilometer for the given bundled conductor. The geometric mean radius of each subconductor is the formula of 0.7788 into R, that is radius. The given radius is 1.75 centimeter. Substitute the value of R in 1.75 centimeter, convert to meter. Without converting meter, we'll get the value of 1.363 centimeter. So I want to find the value of geometric mean radius of conductor, that is ds, is equal to root of the 1.363 centimeter convert to meters into given the value of distance between the conductor is 0.4 meter. For all conductor is 0.4 meters. So 0.4, that is equal to 0.0738 meters. This is ds. So the diameter between DAB is, first we'll calculate the value of diameter between DAB, that is 4th root of D A1 to B1, A1 to B1, D A2 to B1, D A1 to B2 and D A2 to B1, which is the value of diameter A1 to B1, which is A1 to B1 is 7.4 and diameter between D A1 to B2, that is 7 plus 0.4 plus 0.4, that is 7.8. Then diameter between DA2 to B2, DA2, that is A2 to B2, that is 7 plus 0.4, that is 7.4 and DA to B1, that is 7 meters. After solving this value, we'll get the value of DAB as 7.394 meter. Then find the same for diameter of BC. Substitute the value of B1 C1. After solving this, we'll get the value of same, that is 7.3494 meters. Substitute the value of DCA also same like that. We'll get the value 14.797 meters. So we know the value of these three. We can find the value of DM, that is cube root of DAB, DBC and DCA. Substitute the value of DAB, DBC and DCA. In this formula, we'll get the value of DM, that is 9.317 meter. So we have to find the value of inductance per phase per kilometer. So the formula to calculate the inductance per phase per kilometer is equal to this one, equal to 2 into 10 power minus 4 ln dm by ds. We know the values of all, substitute all the values in this formula. Then to find the value of inductance, that is 2 into 10 power minus 4 ln of dm, that is 9.317 and ds, we calculated geometrical mean of conductor, that is 0.0738. After solving this value, we'll get the value of inductance per phase kilometer is 0.97 millihenry per kilometer. That is option D. In this session we have studied about how to calculate the inductance per phase per kilometer in the given 3-phase bundle conductor. Thank you.